This is how you crochet the treble crochet. First, I'm going to yarn over twice, and then I'm going to work into the 5th chain from the hook. While this stitch isn't used as commonly as the single, double, or half double, it is still one of the beginner stitches, so I included it in this beginner series. So here I'm going to insert my hook into the chain, then I'm going to yarn over and pull through the chain, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2, and then my middle finger and thumb are traveling up, yarn over, pull through 2, and then they're traveling again, and yarn over and pull through 2. I'm doing it a total of 3 times, that's why it's called the treble. This is what it'll look like at the end of the foundation row. For my turning chain, I'm going to chain 4, and then I'm going to turn my work, and since that chain 4 counts as a stitch, I'm going to work into the 2nd stitch. So I'm going to yarn over twice, insert my hook into the stitch, make sure I have both loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times. Now at the end of the row, I'm going to work into that turning chain since we worked into the 2nd stitch first. I'm going to yarn over twice, insert my hook into both loops right here, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through and finish my stitch. If you like these kind of close-up tutorials, I post them every day on my page, so be sure to like and follow. Happy hooking!